Shabdajñāna anupāti, vastushunyah vikalpah. Welcome to the Yoga Sutra number 1.9. My name is Vasundhara Talware, and what this sutra means is anything that has verbally been modified is vikalpah, is imagination. And imagination, as we know, has no end to it. It can go on in any direction because all you have to do is imagine. Not think of what is real, not think of what is possible, and not think of what is practical. Hence, verbal knowledge, which is devoid of facts, is fanciful, is an illusion, is imagination. Hence, verbal knowledge, which is devoid of substance, is fancy or imagination. The first word of the sutra, Shabdajñāna, which means verbal knowledge. Shabda means word. Jnana means knowledge. So the verbal knowledge, the second word of the sutra, anupāti, something which is in succession. So a verbal knowledge which is in succession, and the third word of the sutra we see is vastushunyah. Vastushunyah means something which is devoid of meaning, that it doesn't make sense, that it doesn't have substance in it, devoid of substance. Vastushunyah. Vastu here means substance, and shunya means zero, that is devoid of any substance. So the verbal knowledge which is in succession with vastushunyah, which is devoid of knowledge, and the fourth word in the sutra is vikalpah. So all the verbal knowledge which is devoid of substance is called vikalpah, imagination. Hence, playing with fanciful thoughts, living in your own dream world, all come in this category, which is vikalpah, which is imagination. And this is the third klesha, which causes fluctuations in your chitta, disturbance in your chitta, because you are not living in the real moment, the current moment. You're imagining things that do not exist, that are devoid of substance. Hope you learned something about this third klesha, which is vikalpah, which is your imagination. And I will be presenting the balance 2 sutras in the next 2 videos coming up on Mondays. Thank you for watching, and if you've liked what you've seen, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on this button right there. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Love you.